Hello everyone, my name is Hamid Gholamrezai or Gholamreza. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will talk about textures in SketchUp. What should we do to correct the texture placement in SketchUp? First, our subject or our object must be grouped or component, and the Viri plugin must be installed. In this tutorial, version 6.2 is installed for Viri. There is a tool called triplanar projection board that we can use to control how the texture is placed on the subjects or objects in SketchUp. There are other modes for objects that are spherical, and after we click on the desired tool, triplanar projection board or fit, it may take more or less time depending on the complexity of our object. This is one of the ways we can modify the texture placement in SketchUp. Now the texture has been modified and we need to increase its size to reach our desired size. This method largely corrects the problems of displaying textures in SketchUp on SketchUp objects. Finally, as you can see, the way the texture is displayed on this theme was modified.